Hi, and welcome to Poker Hunters. I'm Lydia.
I'm Lee, and today we have a Matchless Fighters booster box from Japan to UK. I'm very excited to get into this just because of the free alternate bird cards. Yeah. Really want the Zapdos the most, I think. Moltres is sick. I'm not too fussed about Arceus,
I quite like the Arceus one, so we'll see.
And obviously a Gold Snorlax.
Gold Snorlax would be awesome.
Yeah, and a Gold Fighting Energy.
And well, we kind of have to get that, really.
Just for me.
Yes.
So we're going to get into this, and we're going to open half today and a half in a following video.
Yes.
Just to see how things go. And yeah, hopefully we get some sick cards.
Sick.
Alright. And there are all the packs. So are we just taking one side out and mixing them up for now?
Take one side out, mix them up. Ooh, I'm so excited. And we will be using scissors for these ones because we can't open
packs.
them properly.
I'm going to mix them up there as well.
Oh gosh, there's so many.
There's only 5 in each pack there, isn't there?
Yeah, it's true.
5 in each pack. And I believe the card trick would be one to the front as well. One to the front. So
I will let Lee go first because he's been waiting for this for so long. Make sure you don't cut a card.
I'm not going to cut the cards. So, set there. Go one to the front. And our first Matchless pack contains Sharpedo. That's a very cool artwork. I like that.
Very realistic.
Yeah, a Rufflet, who's on the box as we saw. Roggenrola.
Yeah.
Roggenrola.
Let's go with that.
Something like that. A Swoobat.
Yeah.
And Karen.
Her name is
Karen. Her name's Karen. There's a full art of this on her.
Mad.
And it's pretty cool.
Mad.
Full art and a rainbow.
Kaza. Right, I'm going to go with this first one here because I just feel... I just want to do that. This makes me nervous. Oh, I didn't even open it properly.
Risky business.
It is risky business. Okay. So it's one to the front.
One to the front.
I'm so not going to get these names right as well, so you will have to help me. The tree.
It's the huge tree.
The tree.
The DLC.
I don't remember your name.
Larvesta.
Yes, Larvesta. Those roses are beautiful.
Cool. Weedle. And Heracross.
And Heracross, yes. Roggenrola again.
I think it's Roggenrola.
I think it is, because it comes from the little one.
Yeah, but that little mum. Ooh!
Ooh!
Apparently that is the hardest VMAX to pull in this set as well. Second pack.
Well, first one for me, yeah. Okay.
Jeez, I love it's like some of them have got like matte finish. I really want to pull the Blaziken VMAX. Shout out.
Jack's going to be well jealous.
Just the VMAX, I think he wants the alternate art.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Second pack.
Okay, cool.
Nice little VMAX. Right. I'm going to cut from the bottom as well, so I'm not cutting the bird's heads off.
Oh, okay. Mad.
Get rid of that. Zangoose. Love Zangoose. Do love Zangoose.
Why?
It's just a cool looking Pokemon. Okay. Oh no, there's no energies. So, Stoutland. A Zangoose. Heracross. That artwork is sick.
Shout out villain cards.
A Persimmon with his little Sobble.
Parmesan.
One time I've seen Sobble not crying. And Gigalith. Rock'n'Roller something Gigalith. That's not Rock'n'Roller. Rock'n'Roller is the first one.
Oh.
Boldor or something like that?
I don't know. I haven't got a clue. I'm
Someone
terrible with names.
Someone let us know.
Right, let's go with this one here. So from the bottom. From the bottom, you say?
Yeah, be careful.
Obviously, I'm being careful. Right, can you put that in a thingy for me, please?
Yes, of course.
Ooh, we don't even know what the
What?
That way, yeah, it is that
Yeah,
way.
yeah.
I got confused because I opened it the wrong way. Okay.
He's very cool.
He is super cool. Right. Tentacruel or Tentacle?
Tentacruel.
Tentacruel. Roggenrola. There you go.
Volcarona.
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 Swoobat.
Mm.
Pink Lady.
Don't know her name.
I recognise her.
I don't know her name at all.
No, I haven't got a clue. I really like this pack art as well.
They are very cool. The Japanese pack art's always cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I can't believe we got that thingy.
What?
What's his name?
Slowbro?
Yeah.
Slowking.
Slowking.
Galarian Slowking. Evil Slowking.
He's not evil.
He is, look at him.
He's
He's
lovely.
got a cape as well. Villain. We have armour plating. Some description.
His teeth are funny.
Lily something. I can't remember. Hatena.
Yeah.
Eh.
Oh.
Oh. Shaman. What a shaman that is.
You always get shamans and you hate them.
Yeah, I'm not fond of shaman. Right, I've got a hollow. I should be happy.
You
Shut
should be
up,
happy.
Lee.
Yeah, shut up, Lee.
I've got a hollow.
You got a hollow, but you didn't get a VMAT.
I'm going to get a secret rare in this box, though.
You think?
I hope so.
What if I pull it?
Well, you'll pull it now. Now that I've said I'll pull it. Watch.
Watch. Okay. Oh, what's this one's name?
Oh, it's yeah. I was going to say Beady then, but it's not.
No, it's not.
I can't remember his name.
Swirly. Oh yeah, Swirlipuff.
Yeah.
Swirlix.
Bravery.
Is that fetched?
With his leak.
With his leak.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Oh my god.
Centering's bad for a Japanese card.
I was just thinking that.
I mean,
You can't really tell on the back, can
but
you?
you can actually. Look how thick that is compared to that.
You might not be able to see it properly on here, but...
Ah well. Still a V Moltres. I'm hoping we can get all 3 V birds at least.
At least, that would be
least.
so cool. I'm sorry that if I get all the pulls.
It's fine. It's fine.
This is your booster box though.
It's not
Bought this-
really.
Well, yeah, but it's for you.
Thanks. So one to the front. I'm gonna get something good eventually. Something that I
Yeah.
want. Scolipede. Oh no! Wait, Venipede. I don't know that one's name. Diglett. Lillipup. And the fighting bird.
Nice, you got him.
Zapdos. So like I say, I want the alt art the most, but 2 V-birds in a row. That's cool as well, the artwork on that.
So shiny.
Yeah, I love Galarian Zapdos. It's the one out of the 3 of them that I really took to, I think.
He's too fast in the game for me. It took me about 10 times to get him.
Thank God this ain't a pack battle.
There would be 2 tenths. But imagine we get all the good pulls in this one and nothing.
I mean, I hope not. If not, we might just have to make it one video.
But yeah. Okay, one to the front and you, sir.
Quicksilver from the X-Men.
Quicksilver. Fluffy bird. Rufflet. There you go. I was trying to think of it. Tend to.
What are those in the background? They're like lanterns. They are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Chin-chow.
Chin-chow. And. Oh, Doug Trio.
I like that artwork again though.
It's pretty cool.
A Rapid Strike Dog Trio. 7 packs left.
How?
So only doing half. And there's 5 cards in each.
7 packs though. How many have I opened?
That one
4?
didn't go well. I didn't get the cards, that's alright. Right. So
Woo!
one to the front. We have Lilligant, Lantern, Venipede, Delibird, Mr. Santa himself, and single strike Urshifu.
Good boy.
Another holo.
Thanks. Okay.
So what card are you looking for? What chase card are you looking for?
I want that gold Snorlax.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm
I
sure
want
a lot
him.
of people do as well.
Had
It'd be amazing. Tentacle.
Dentical. Yanma? No. Yanma, your mask.
Don't forget your mask.
Don't forget your mask.
You forgot your mask.
I did forget my mask.
Sure, he's Scolipede.
Yeah, let's go with that. A horn.
You've got the horn. You got the rapid strike horn.
I don't really even know what that means, if I'm honest.
If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like.
Please.
We've got some more exciting stuff coming up that we've got planned with our Discord members. We've got planned with other people now that life is coming back to normality in some shape. So yeah, keep an eye out. Make sure you leave this a like, and in this card we'll get something. In this pack, sorry, we'll get something sick, I feel. So we've got Kuna focusing his energy, all Dragon Ball Z like. Chinchou. Diglett racing up a cliff by the looks of things. He's determined. This one's not having any of that.
Right.
This one's struggling. This one is on smoke. Larvesta with his roses.
Oh, pardon me, that's so rude.
Big tree again, and oh,
That was Kakuna.
what do you mean?
I think he was the good one, no?
No, you don't get. You're not guaranteed a rare in every pack, are you?
Oh, I thought you were.
No,
Okay.
that's a shame.
4 left for this one.
Is the secret rare in this box
this
in here?
one. Could be in the next lot.
Could be in the next box.
Snip, snip, snip. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Let's go. Scraggy. Oh, Scrafty. His pants
Love
are up.
Scrafty.
The other one's holding them up.
Rock and roller.
Rock and roller. Snake.
Survivor.
Survivor.
Tentacle.
Tentacle.
Another Sharpie dog. Right, so these last 3 packs gonna have fire in them.
Either they are, or
I
they're really not.
I have to pick the
Please
right
don't
one.
wave scissors at me. No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the one in the middle.
Yeah, go with the one in the
I'll
middle.
split the difference.
I thought you were just cutting in. Panicked for a minute.
Oh, I did. No, I didn't.
You little.
I've just seen the card. Oh, I know you'll be happy about this one. So you got a Spiritomb.
I'm happy about Spiritomb. Look at him, he's so cute.
He's trying not to cry.
Can you not?
Look at him.
He's emotional.
He's still crying, but he's trying not to. So a bit more respect on Sobble's name. He's trying to change his ways. He's obviously realised no one likes him because he cries all the time. Hadtrim? Or Hadtena? Hadtrim. I don't know. Yeah, Mask. And Woobat. Swoobat. Woobat. That was Woobat. Swoobat. We was getting it wrong. That's cool though. I like that artwork again.
I'm really upset with you.
I mean, he does his cry. All he does is cry. I can't stand it, to be honest.
Well, you know what?
You're gonna pull the secret right now.
No, you know what?
What?
I can't stand you.
Nice.
Be rude to Sobble.
A lantern.
A lantern.
Not the Pokemon. Lillipad.
Lillipad, okay. Little Cubfoo.
Waiting for one of them cards.
Carvana. Oh my god, I think I can see something.
Oh no. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't mind.
Get him.
It's not the alt art.
Doesn't matter.
It's still beautiful.
Look at that boy.
So one to the front. And we've got a Galarian Surfetch. A Scrafty. Scraggy.
One of them.
Galarian Furfetch.
Perfect.
Surfetch, yeah. Lilliput. Herdia. Drizzle.
That looks cool.
Oh. Thanks, Pokemon.
So we're just going to run through our pulls for this first half of the video.
I'll go first because Lydia smashed it. Got the Shaman, Urshifu, and Galarian Zapdos V.
And then I got Galarian Slow King
Yeah.
VMAX, Galarian Moltres V, and Mr. Zapdos.
He's so cool.
Mr. Zapdos Secret Rare.
So that is the secret rare. We think you only get usually one per box, but you never know. We could get lucky in the second part of this video, and we may just get another. So make sure you tune in for that. That will be coming at some point next week, I would imagine. So yeah, make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and like, and all that stuff.
Thank you.
So until next time.
Happy hunting.